Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jeff Dennis, your career teacher. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how you can conjugate the verb to have in English, and also to teach you also guys how you can conjugate it to in Creole, in Haitian Creole. Let's go guys. Firstly, guys, let me notice something for you. When you say SP means simple past. Okay, guys? SP means simple past. Let's conjugate it. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, they had. Once more again, guys. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, they have. Okay? Why not? Let me translate in Creole for you guys. Mwen te genyen. When you say I had, mwen te genyen for something that you had. Okay, guys? For example, yesterday I had a pen. Okay, guys? When I say yesterday, the verb must in the past. Okay, guys? Because we talk about the past. Okay, guys? For something that you had. Okay, guys? I had means in Creole, mwen te genyen. When you say te marks, okay, guys, the past. Okay, guys? When we say te in Creole means the past, but the simple past. You had, ou te genyen. He had, li te genyen. She had, li te genyen. It had, li te genyen. We had, li te genyen. We had, nou te genyen. You had, ou te genyen. They had, you te genyen. Okay, guys? Thanks for being watching this video, guys. I think you enjoyed the course. If you would like to see more videos, guys, don't forget to subscribe with my channel. And I promise you every single day I will post on it some new video for you guys. Thanks for being watching it.